G'day guys, and welcome back to a new YouTube video on the channel. I'm going to keep this short and sweet so you guys get straight to the action. So basically we're going for a quick drive today in the Falcon. Transmission's been fixed, and yeah, without further ado, let's hop in the car, see how it drives, see how it goes. Yeah, enjoy. We are here doing a test drive in the XR6AU after the transmission was serviced and we had the new solenoids put in. The car is shifting, it's going through all the gears. It is awesome, it is performing how it should. There's no error codes, there's nothing like that. So yeah, basically today we're just gonna go on a quick test drive, see how it handles, do a few pulls maybe. Basically just see how the car performs. Yeah, pretty much just enjoy the fruits of the labor. So we'll try and go through some more tighter roads with more curves and stuff like that a little bit later on. But yeah, stay tuned and enjoy. Let's get performance mode, see how this goes. Not bad. You know, for a 22-year-old car, this is not bad at all. Drop down a second. We're on the touge. We have our camera car here. Still a few cars in front, so we're gonna get a bit of distance and then hopefully we can get a bit more speed going, because these people don't know how to drive, obviously. Should have a bit of a clearer road now to kind of send it a bit more, so probably gonna lose the camera car, but that's all right. It's gonna get very curvy very quickly. Those new brakes performing pretty well though, can't lie. Able to go around these corners pretty quickly. This big U-turn here, pretty sharp one. There is sadly still traffic. The car's getting a grip though, which is lovely. Another AU Falcon owner, P-plater, love to see it. Hopefully you guys are enjoying this great weather we're having in Australia at the moment. Probably won't last for long, but bit of tire chirp there. You can actually get a pretty decent angle with this, considering how much the car weighs. Like, it's a good 1800 or like 1600 kilograms, I think, like 1.6 tons. And surprisingly, you can actually carry a bit of speed around these corners, even though it's rear-wheel drive. I mean, it is a bit tail unhappy. You can feel the back kick out of it, but like generally, if you're not too crazy with the throttle, if you're not like jabbing it, you're not gonna start slipping out completely. It's a sharp turn. Oh shit. But yeah, I think there's not much body roll. It's not terrible, but I think with a tiny bit lower suspension, it would be a lot better. But I'm just getting a feel for the car. I haven't really sent it this hard yet, giving it a good beating like this. Fuck, this is a really, really sharp corner. Those fucking brakes are working awesome. I love that. Wow. I mean, for the price of this car, that wishbone suspension does absolute wonders. Like, holy shit. wow, I'm very impressed. I think with proper coilovers or shocks, this should be unreal. Now I do have some unfortunate news, guys. Sadly, I'm going to be getting rid of it. Luckily though, it is going to one of my good friends, one of my best friends, so you guys should still see it on the channel. But what this means is basically that we're still gonna keep the content going. It just means that we're gonna have to find a new vehicle to work on, because ideally I'm looking for manual XR6 or XR8, preferably a ute if I'm gonna go to the lengths of fully modding it out, doing all that good stuff. And essentially this car isn't manual. It would be a bit annoying to swap it to manual, and ideally I want a factory manual because it's just easier. You don't have to worry about the hassles and, like, you know, doing the job kind of not correctly. So yeah, that's the sad update I'm gonna have to give you guys. So this will be the last episode of the AU XR6, sadly. But I mean, hey, it's been a good journey. I'm sure you guys have enjoyed the content from what it seems. Who knows, we might get one next week, we might get one in 2 weeks, but I'll try and still film some content in the meantime. Maybe go to a few car meets, etc, all that good stuff. But yeah, just wanted to update you guys, let you know what the status update of this car is. But yeah, if we do end up getting AU XR6 or XR8 that's manual, we'll put all the goodies into it, swap out, you know, pretty much everything, make it brand new and behave brand new again. But we're at the top now basically, so we'll head back down. We'll finish off the video because yeah, I mean, there's not really much else we're gonna do with this car. Of course it's raining. But yeah, I don't think we're gonna be able to send it too hard down the mountain. This weather's not great, and if you know rear-wheel drive cars, yeah, around corners and speed, it's not a good combo, let's just say that. Psych! So yeah guys, that's basically going to be the end for the AU XR6 Falcon. What a fucking weapon. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that as much as I did. It was good fun going around the touge. It handled actually pretty well considering how old the car is. And yeah, I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Enjoy.